Hey, good morning. Happy Tuesday. It is August 27th, 2019. And the old PV Classic 30 is now off my bench awaiting parts that were discovered late last night. I had an 11-hour day yesterday. It was awesome. This Ibanez, it's an RG320, I believe. What is it? Yeah, RGR320EX. I did the setup on this instrument a few months back, and the dude tweaked it, no pun intended, and basically ruined all the work that I did on this instrument. And I've lost the locking machine heads, or locking nut, so I'm going to reorder those. And let's see, we'll have to tweak the truss rod. We're going to put a set of Ernie Ball 9s on this, and the guy that tweaked this, put a gold Floyd rose on here instead of the black one that came stock with it, which this doesn't fit. As you can see, this overlaps. I'm going to have to grind some of that metal off of there, and because this Floyd rose will never work correctly the way it is. And I don't, gold, whatever. Gold stuff. This will turn green after, a few months of sweating on it. The electronics feel pretty good. This volume control has a little bit of weirdness going on, and it's definitely loose. So we'll tighten that up. And the pickup selector switch feels good. The output jack is loose. I mean, I did a ton of work on this thing the last time it was here. And boy, it's all been for naught. It's really unfortunate. The guitar was sold to another client of mine, and I'm happy that he ended up with it. And we'll get this thing up and running ASAP. So all of the work that needs to be done on this will be quick and easy and speedy. And the first thing I got to do is remove this. Yeah, I think. Oh! Well, I got a camera in my hand. I can't do it. Yeehaw! Can't never did anything, right? Peace, y'all. Have a wonderful day.